I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 for a little while now, and for me this is definitely the first time that I can recommend a flip phone. There's mostly good things, some not so good things, but overall I've enjoyed it, so let's discuss. Now the outer display is where we've probably got to start, because for me this is the most significant change. The outside display has been turned into the flex window, I know, and it's gone from a tiny 1.9 inch screen on previous Z Flip Fold phones. Now it's a 3.4 inch 720p panel. And this really is a game changer. For me, this is the main reason now that I would recommend getting a flip phone, because now it's actually usable when it's folded. Now, the other big update on this phone is probably the hinge, making it more durable, but the real game changer here is that it folds almost flat now, eliminating that tiny gap that we used to get with all flip and fold phones. It's a lot sturdier and more reliable than ever, and it's worth appreciating how far folding phones have come, especially when you compare it to the earlier models. So what else do we get here? We get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which brings really fast performance and most importantly, more efficient performance. Now the battery size hasn't changed in this phone, but I've noticed a big improvement in battery life, and that's exactly what I've experienced in the S23 Ultra 2. Now in terms of cameras, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 have improved since their predecessor, with a wider angle 10 megapixel front camera on one side, and on the other side it features a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 12 megapixel wide camera. Now I have to say I didn't really notice too much difference compared to the Z Flip 4 for example, but that's not a bad thing. These phones create really good photos and videos. So that's a real quick run through of the Z Flip 5 and what I think about it. Overall, it's definitely the best flip phone that Samsung have produced, and it's the first one that I can definitely recommend. But let me know down in the comments, is this improvement in the Z Flip 5 enough to change your mind on flip phones and make you want to get one? Or are you still not convinced? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.